Hello and welcome to ecomHardy.com. In this video, I will give you some suggestions on how to avoid getting negative reviews on your e-commerce website and products. There are very important suggestions that will help you to avoid getting low-star reviews on your e-commerce website. So make sure to watch till the end. Number 1, make sure you have a clear returns and exchanges policy in place. This can help prevent customer frustration if they receive a product that is not what they expected or is defective. Number 2, respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints. This shows that you care about your customers and are willing to go the extra mile to address any issues they may have. Number 3, offer high-quality products. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's important to ensure that the products you sell are of good quality. This can help prevent negative reviews due to product defects or poor performance. Number 4, ensure that your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. If customers have a hard time finding what they're looking for or placing an order, they may leave a negative review. Number 5, follow up with customers after their purchase to see if they are satisfied with their order. This can help you identify any potential issues before they leave a negative review. Number 6, consider offering incentives for customers to leave reviews. This could be a discount on their next purchase or a small gift. Positive reviews can help offset any negative reviews that you may receive. Here are a few more suggestions to avoid getting low-star reviews on your e-commerce website and products. Number 7, set realistic expectations for your products. If you oversell a product's capabilities, customers may be disappointed when it doesn't live up to their expectations. Be honest and transparent about what your products can do. Number 8, make sure your product descriptions and images are accurate. This can help prevent customer disappointment and reduce the risk of negative reviews. Number 9, consider offering a satisfaction guarantee or warranty. This can give customers added peace of mind and may encourage them to leave a positive review. Number 10, use customer feedback to improve your products and customer experience. If you receive a negative review, try to use it as an opportunity to learn and make improvements. By following these steps, you can help minimize the number of low-star reviews you receive and maintain a positive reputation for your e-commerce business. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful e-commerce videos. Please leave a comment if any questions or suggestions. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.